In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset camera settings back to default on your iPhone. Right now on my hand, this is iPhone 17 Pro, but you can use these steps for all iOS 26 running iPhone models. Now first, let's understand why your iPhone even saves camera settings. So basically what happens is your iPhone has a feature called Preserve Settings. This means whatever camera mode you used last time, like video, filters, exposure, or live photo, it's going to keep that same setup when you open the camera again. This is helpful for some users, but for a lot of people it creates confusion because the camera doesn't go back to default automatically. So if your camera is always opening in a different mode or weird settings, this is probably the reason. Now let me show you the first solution. What you're going to want to do is stop Preserve Settings. Go ahead and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Now over here, tap on Preserve Settings. You will see multiple options like Camera Mode, Creative Controls, Exposure Adjustment, and more. Now what you want to do is turn off all these toggles. This will make sure your iPhone camera resets to default every time you open it. Oh great, now your camera will always start fresh with default settings. Now let's move to the second solution. If things are still messed up or not working properly, you gotta reset all settings on your iPhone. Go back to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. This will not delete your data, but it will reset all system settings including camera settings, Wi-Fi, and preferences. Go ahead and confirm and let your iPhone reset. Once done, your camera settings will be completely back to default. Anyways, these are the two best ways to fix camera settings issues on iPhone. If you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments and I'll help you out if required.